with ShirtSpace, the shirt place. Okay, now it's time to spill the tea. Hi guys, Britt with ShirtSpace. Did you know that 93% of people when shopping for a product go for color first as opposed to other factors such as size, quality, and price? Well, that's why color selection is so important when you're selling customized apparel. Fall colors, some of our most sought after shades, are reminiscent of turning trees and landscapes bursting with red, orange, yellow, green, purple, and brown hues. Colors like orange, purple, and black are perfect for Halloween, and as we move towards Thanksgiving, richer colors like rust, burgundy, and forest green move to the forefront. Neutrals like sand and camel are always in style and demand, regardless of the time of year. Not sure where to start since ShirtSpace has thousands of options? Well, we have some suggestions for you. And after we go through our list of our top choices for fall colors in the world of blank apparel, make sure you stick around as our team tells you what they're thankful for this upcoming holiday season. From the fieriest of changing leaves to rich reds that are reminiscent of a bold red wine, we have maroon, burgundy, and garnet. Horror-themed shirts look great on an intense and deep red, and these dark reds remain fashionable all the way through the holiday season and the rest of winter. For elegant purples that make you lust for a piece of sweet berry cobbler, blackberry or wine colors are a sophisticated way to incorporate color into your apparel design without being too bright or bold. Dark purples are great for Halloween styles and stay in vogue from fall, stretching all the way through the colder months. Mauve is a romantic color with a dusty tint that has risen in popularity throughout the recent years. Feminine designs look great on mauve, but that's not to say that all genders cannot pull it off as equally well. Those looking for bachelorette party tees and sororities love this fall color when matching group outfits are needed for celebrations and events. Greens like forest green, military green, or olive are the colors of plants, trees, and moss. Green is a versatile color that can be worn year-round, but it shines beautifully in the fall. Greens look attractive paired with almost any color, adding to its flexibility. Men and women both tend to like green, and any forest greens left over can easily be used for Christmas apparel as well. Arguably our most popular fall season color family, these burnt oranges remind us of turning tree leaves, an autumn sunset ablaze in the sky, and pumpkin spice everything. You can think of the sepia photo filter when you think of these colors and their reddish-brown tinge. Whether you are decorating a t-shirt celebrating the fall season, a spooky Halloween design, or a shirt that gives thanks, these darkened orange hues are a solid choice for seasonal t-shirts decorated for sale in September through November. One of the brighter fall shades, mustard yellow and similar gold colors, are a fun way to add a happy splash of color with a moody fall flair. We aren't talking about the yellow mustard that you find at the old burger joint in town. This color is like a fine Dijon, the Grey Poupon of mustards. You can't go wrong with a neutral color palette that allows the designer artwork to really stand apart. Neutrals look good on everyone, they are easy on the eyes, and they are easy to match to other pieces of clothing. Colors like sand and chocolatey browns have become increasingly popular, especially with the younger generations. Depending on your customer base and brand style, a natural and calming color selection can be a smart and successful business decision to appeal to the masses. These colors, ranging from as dark as the night sky to the color of the thickest fog-filled night, are always classics. Black makes light colors and bright colors really pop. If you have a very intricate design with many colors or ink or vinyl, black or grays like charcoal, sport gray, and ash are smart choices. Black is flattering for almost all body types, is a top choice for Halloween-inspired tees, and hides stains, meaning a longer lifespan for many black tees as opposed to lighter colors. I hope you've fallen in love with these fall colors that we've shown you that are very popular in the world of blank apparel. What colors were your favorite? Make sure to let us know in the comments below. And make sure to stick around for...
In my particular life, I am thankful for almost everything that has happened to me. There's a lot of terrible stuff going on, and I appreciate that. But when you look at the suffering of our brothers and sisters around the world, it kind of grounds me to be thankful for where I'm at, who I'm married to, the children that I have, the job I have, the country I live in. So when it came right down to it, there are very few things in my life that I'm not thankful for.
This year for the Thanksgiving season, I am super thankful that live music is coming back, that we can travel here and there a little bit, and just to be able to see the people I love, because the last couple of years were kind of hard without them.
Hi, my name's Leanna, and this holiday season I am really thankful for my family, my friends, working for such a great company, my work family. I am so thankful for technology, being a military mom. It helps me stay connected with my son when he's deployed and just when he's on base. I have so much to be thankful for. I have a new kitten. I have a wonderful dog at home. I just feel like I have such a supportive community, and I'm just really thankful for so many things in my life.
Hi, I'm Sarah. This holiday season, I'm definitely thankful for music. I can't get by without it. I am always listening to it, even while I'm here, and I serenade everyone in the office, which they are thankful for. I'm also thankful that we're starting to be able to gather with people that we care about.
My name is Allison, and this season I am thankful for my family and my work family.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm thankful for cats.
Hi, I'm Sharon, and I'm super thankful this holiday season for my amazing family and my 3 fuzzy dogs at home.
I am so thankful that the holidays are coming. I love the holiday season so much. I have a lot to be thankful for. I am so thankful for my family, and I know everyone says that, but I have the coolest kids on the planet. I love them so much, and I still have my grandparents. This will be my grandpa's 92nd Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for my amazing job. It's so much fun. And of course, I am so thankful for Sandoval singing. She's amazing. So, happy Thanksgiving.
Hi, I'm Taylor, and this holiday season, I'm thankful for the amazing, delicious food that we all get to eat. We're also very privileged living in the United States, so just being able to spend time with family, check out the fall colors, the landscapes. Living in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, I'm extremely grateful for being from the East Coast. It's just nice to see the variety of the beauty of our country, and we should all be really happy and feel lucky that we are so privileged to celebrate all these holidays with loved ones and spread cheer and love and donate and give back.
Hi, my name is Shauna Fuller, and I would say what I am most thankful for is pets, not just my pet, but any pet in general. I think that there's a lot of ugliness in the world sometimes, and when you can go home and have somebody to cuddle you and hang out with you when you're bored and never get annoyed with you or never be mean to you, it's the best feeling in the world. So I'm thankful that there is the ability to have pets in this world, and I'm thankful for Tilly.
This holiday season, I am thankful for my family, specifically my kids, almost 7 and 4, my husband, my dad and my brother, and everyone else who have been really supportive of me throughout my entire life, specifically the last 2 years that have been quite the roller coaster for most of us. And I just truly value the connection that I have with them, the support that they're always willing to offer, and the genuine joy that they bring to my life.
My name is Marlon Lefevre, and today in this holiday season, I'm thankful for a lot of things, but if I had to choose a few, I would have to say family, my dogs, and just being able to go outdoors and go fishing and hunting and do all those things that I love.
And on behalf of ShirtSpace, we're thankful for our customers and your continued support. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, give us a like, and have a great rest of your day.